Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to convert images to icons online. Open your favorite browser. Go to freeconvert.com. Hover your mouse on the menu item Converters. Select Image Converters from the drop-down menu. Click on Choose Files, or you can drag and drop the image files here. Select the image files on your computer and click Open. All the selected files are uploaded. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Output. Select the image format you want to convert. To convert all the files to the same format, click on the drop-down menu below and choose the image format. Now click the gear icon next to Output. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Format and Size. Select your preferred size and format from the drop-down menu. Now click the arrow next to Apply Settings and select Apply to all files. Click on Convert to ICO button. As a free user, you can only convert 5 files at a time. Click on Download ICO next to each file to download it. Once the download is complete, click the arrow next to the file and select Show in Folder. As you can see, all the image files are now converted to icons. This is how you can convert images to icons online. Thank you for watching.